So this is my 2014 BMW S1000rr. This is the second gen, and the plan today is to remove that catalytic converter and install the straight pipe, mid pipe, however you want to call it, but that's the plan here. So what I will be doing, I'll be taking the fairing off, 1, 2, 3, and same goes on the other side, and then I would have enough space to cut the part that I'm actually trying to cut. So I would have to make a cut right here, and if I were to show you from the other side, the same goes right here. Now it will eliminate all of this. Then we have the two pipes that will come through here and go up out. Now before I make the cut, once I take the fairing off, not the whole, just the bottom part, I'll make sure that the fit is right, because you know, when you buy something from Amazon for not that much, it tends to differ with you when the time of install comes. So let me undo the fairing. It's pretty straightforward. You use the hex or the Torx sockets, take these out, and then pop it up. That's about it. So let me do that, and then I'll come back to you. So here's what I've done so far. I have a Nico Torx set. I've used T20H, and I've used a T45H, right? Now I use T45 to unbolt the exhaust part, and also the bolt that holds the shield. Now the whole idea is to remove this shield, and to remove the exhaust. Now once you unbolt those two screws, and then there are two smaller screws right here, one on this side and one on the other. Once you remove those, well, this has nothing to do with these, but let me tell you how to take the exhaust off. You have to unbolt this one and unbolt the one right here in the back that goes right here. Here's the bolt. Once these are undone, all you have to do is to just slide this off. Careful, don't stretch or mar anything. Now the shield, watch your hand. And as you can see, my valve is open because I undid the servo. You take these off. Easy peasy. Just don't mark anything. Okay. This is out. So here's the first cut. I'm almost through, just a hair bit of metal left on the right side. I'm using a DeWalt rechargeable with thin curved metal, Milwaukee metal blades, and just have to be careful not to mar anything on top. And then there is the oil pump is right there, so you just have to make sure that you clear both. When you're going up, make sure you're not touching the upper part, even though it's bad light right now, but I made sure to check for the clearance and whatever not. So one side is almost done, it's a bit hot, and then we'll move on to the other side.